Alright, so you're already aware that OpenAI Sora is an AI model that is designed to create realistic or imaginative videos from just textual inputs. But it uses a combination of techniques and also cutting-edge technology to achieve this feat. So let's take a quick look on what they are. The first type of technology that it uses is a diffusion model that is similar to the image generation, where it actually starts with a very noisy image and then gradually refine it into a coherent video sequence. And the other part of this is the transform architecture. This is the T in the GPT, which actually allows for efficient processing of sequential data and improved scalability. And the next one is a key feature because this is where it can physically understand the world, which ensures that the resulting video is consistent with reality and understands the prompts. And one of its most fascinating features is its complex scene generation, which you see here, like how it creates all these various characters or textures and even different backgrounds. And not just this, Sora is also capable of making videos up to 1 minute long and also takes safety measures where before they even deploy it to become a public product, they have a team called red teamers that go through a rigorous process of making sure that they comply with all the safety measures and do not just put it out there. So that's why we don't have access at the moment and only select users do. And one other cool feature that it has is the foresight mechanism, which tries to keep track of a subject, especially when it's moving or when there are multiple characters involved in it, to avoid any kind of disappearance, which it is not doing a great job at, but it is actually a great feature to have. Still, despite all of Sora's abilities, it is still having a few limitations. Like in a couple of videos, you'd see that it creates or generates these animals out of nothing, and just like the image generations that suffered in the early stages with fingers and certain details, this video generation also does have a couple of weird nuances here and there. If you're really into the details on a general scale, it does a very impressive job. Anyways, let me know your thoughts about this in the comments below. If you like this video, leave it a thumbs up and see you in the next one.